not right, is it?
Want to get in there?
Let him in there.
Duke says, tag me in, tag me in. Tag me in. I don't want to get too close to the fence there for Kaylee. Oh, okay, good. Oh, good. I just wanted to be mindful of, somebody's not happy.
He says, I can't reach, Dad.
Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me at him.
Duke, are you protecting Kaylee?